What if you're playing a normal looking game but you didn't know it's hiding something dark? Stop looking around. Oh, sorry. Yo, thanks. Yo, this is a cool place. What is this? You're in recording. I'm gonna mic. I'm gonna mic. Oh, this is a cool place. Mm. Okay. Well, October 2015. Let's look around. What is this? Yo, yo, what is this? There's question mark at the walls. Watching, there's a secret way. Let's see. Oh my god, there's the black guy. Ain't no way. Yo, let's add Bob. No! Whoa. Don't add. Yo, where are you? Oh hell. Bob is coming for you. I ain't trying to rejoin. Bawal ka mag-live dyan, pero ano yun? Let me do the audio first, okay? This is the point of the video. Bob is here. Bob is coming for you. Oh, yes, alright, let's do the OB, guys. Really? Oh. I forgot the warning. This may contains flashing lights. Oh, it's not supposed to be here. Alright, where the hell am I? Whoa, scary. Damn, so scary. I'm a grown ass man. What are you doing here? I'm 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 doing the OB. Bobby's always watching you. I don't give a shit. Bro, I quit. Why? I just fell 100 times. And I can't leave. Dito, oh. Boy. Alright, let's see what's on I'm watching you. Okay. Okay. Eat me alive. If I fail, I'll crash out. So no. Alright, I'll do some magic here. Just stop following me. Bro, this parkour is so long. Alright, I think that's all. Bye.